Irrespective of age, graying of hair has become a critical problem in this present era. If it starts before the age of 20, it is called premature graying of hair. There are many reasons for this problem, the majority of which are stress, anger, fear, genetic factor, excessive use of chemicals present in shampoos or conditioners, faulty food habits, hormonal imbalance, deficiencies of certain vitamins and minerals. To overcome the problem, many people use synthetic dyes, but the chemicals used to produce dyes are often highly toxic, which can have severe effects on human body. Instead, you can use kajal to hide grey roots, but still it's temporary. Ayurveda offers many sure-shot solutions for this problem. In this video, I am going to share with you some simple steps with which you can root out this problem permanently, and that's what the video is all about. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing we need to do is to increase the intake of water, otherwise our body will become more acidic. Second, gooseberry or amla and aloe vera, the green cactus-like plant that sits in our garden, can be boon for hair. Using gooseberry and aloe vera in any form can affect hair graying problems, and you will yourself notice wonders after a few days. Drinking gooseberry and aloe vera juice early morning, empty stomach, will be more effective. Third, raw onion. Onions are rich in antioxidant and they keep grey hair away. They also restore the hair's natural color. Eating raw onion is the simplest way to reverse grey hair. Now, fourth point, iron-rich food. Iron helps to boost the production of melanin in your hair. Foods rich in iron includes dark green leafy vegetables such as spinach, seafood, beans, peas, dried fruits such as raisins and apricots, iron-fortified cereals, breads and pastas. Now, fifth point, copper-rich food. Lack of copper can reduce the count of melanin in your hair. So, you should take copper-rich diet on a regular basis, such as green leafy vegetables, nuts, seeds, sweet potatoes and dark chocolates. Sixth, black cumin or kalonji. Regular use of kalonji or black cumin when boiled in mustard oil gives astonishing results. It not only prevents premature graying of hair but also reverses the graying process. This happens because of high content of linoleic acid, which helps to prevent the reduction of black pigment cells in our follicles. Incorporating some simple exercises, yoga poses and pranayam in your daily regime will help you to cope up with this graying hair problem. First, nail rubbing. Nail rubbing exercise is also called as balayam. It helps to revive hair and strengthens the entire skeletal system. This is somewhat similar to nurturing your garden in a balanced manner. Second, headstand pose, Sheesh Asana. The headstand yoga pose is known as king of all asanas due to its multiple health benefits. It speeds up the blood circulation and ensures that the brain receives sufficient well-oxygenated blood. Practice this pose for at least 5 minutes to 10 minutes after warming up of your body. A person who is practicing this pose for years can practice for up to 30 minutes. But for the beginners, 30 seconds is good, and the maintaining time may be increased to 5 minutes. Headstand pose should be immediately stopped if you experience a headache, dizziness and perspire profusely. A person suffering from high blood pressure, heart malfunctioning, chronic glaucoma, blood hemorrhage in head, slip disc, conjunctivitis, kidney problems should not practice headstand pose. Third, shoulder stand pose, Sarvangasana. Practice it at least for 5 minutes. This pose helps to nourish hair by flowing blood to the head and hydrating the scalp and giving you luscious hair. It has long-lasting effects on hair. Fourth, shining forehead breathing or Kapalbhati Pranayam. It will help you to get long black hair. Practice it for at least 15 minutes empty stomach. Now, fifth, alternate nostril breathing or Anulom Vilom for at least 15 minutes will reverse your grey hair. Supplements and pills that boost melanin production can pose a risk of side effects. But A healthy diet rich in required vitamins and pranayam, yoga poses, and with some simple exercises can actually help you to naturally increase the melanin level in your hair in right proportion. That's all from my side. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please share it, spread the knowledge, and I will be back with some another useful video. My name is Jyoti. I'm signing off. You take care of yourself. Bye.